Hello everyone, this is Fast to Last Business Venture channel. This channel is solely for the people such as myself who is young, energetic and aspiring businessman. Take over entire business venture of my entire business journey. Therefore, my first venture becomes starting a poultry farm. It's a 1 million Newton project consisting of 1000 hens composed of a lot of processes and making it. Assuming 1000 hens in the project, the current rate of the egg in the market today is 0.11. Number of eggs expected per day is 1000, which gives me 11,000 per day as my gross income, and 3,30,000 as my monthly gross income. By cutting expenditure 70,000, my net income becomes 2,60,000. We'll expose you to new ventures herefore while still keeping updates on previous ventures too.